Clarence and Joe, TNT, Standard Run. It is Friday, December 16th. Go, boys. Come on, Claire. You listen to Joe. Joe, you watch those things. Don't take it for granted. Get those weeds, yes. Happy boy, happy boy. I love my weeds, Joe. Weren't they good? There we go. Up and over. No bailing. No bailing. Good job. Good job. And now we're going to do the teeter, our nemesis. We got it. We got it. The whole way. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey! Yes. Thank you. Heart attack. Okay. Now he's going to... He can free range run. No! Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No! Yeah, good. You got him. Finish strong. Finish strong. Woohoo! 52:06.